Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this POCO. First of all, you need to hold your device's display. Now tap on this gear icon at the bottom right corner of it. From here, select More and click on Icon Size. Lastly, swipe left or right in order to adjust it and click on Home button. Then tap on this check mark at the top right corner and as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!